Customer states my turn signals blink fast.
Blinking fast is an indication there is something wrong with the turn signal bulbs. I didn't notice at first, but someone installed two different headlights. The customer did mention it was at a body shop for repairs. So being that it's a different headlight, it looks like someone rigged this up to work. This is the laziest, dumbest way I've ever seen someone rig something up. Like, why wouldn't you just extend the wiring? Here's a better look at the difference between the lamps. The turn signal spot is in opposite positions. The customer does not have any money to spend, so I will simplify the situation. Just going to extend the wiring like it should have been done. And never ever do this. Little wire loom never hurts. One last thing to do is clean the inside because it's really gross. It's not much, but it's honest work.